Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook an easy chicken bake with saffron rice. Somebody on r/gifrecipes asked me for an easy go-to weeknight dinner, and here it is. This one dish chicken bake served with saffron rice is quick, easy, and can be prepared ahead of time. To start off, roughly chop 3 shallots before placing in a large oven-proof dish. Next, dice 3 cloves of garlic. Then roughly chop 1 green bell pepper, followed by 1 eggplant sliced into cubes. Slice 1 chili. Then add to the dish fresh rosemary, followed by fresh thyme. All these fresh ingredients only take a minute to slice, and when you get home from work to make this dish, it only takes minutes to prepare. Next, add some olive oil before mixing the fresh herbs and veggies together. Place 6 to 8 chicken thighs with the skin on top. Season with salt and pepper. Top with some sweet paprika. Finally, place the tomatoes in between the chicken. Place in an oven set to 356 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. To go with the chicken, we're going to prepare some saffron rice. Add 1 cup of rice to a pot, followed by 2 cups of water. Add some saffron. Place over medium to high heat for 10 minutes. You'll end up with beautifully fluffy yellow rice. When the chicken is cooked through and the veggies have softened, remove the tray from the oven. There you have it, a chicken bake with saffron rice. This dish takes absolutely no time to prepare and only uses 1 dish for the chicken. It's colourful for the kids, easy to make, and not to mention healthy. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.